Now, back to Be Fit for Life.
With that being said, what kind of conditions do you normally treat? So we know all the different problems with back pain and everything else. Or what kind of conditions do you normally treat typically?
Yeah, that's a big question. I could go on and on of the list of many things. Just to name a quick few, I think that a lot of people maybe are really familiar with and get that out of the way. All different types of body aches and pains and headaches. Even pain not just in your spine, but all of your extremities. Sports injuries and sprains and strains, overuse conditions, even stress and anxiety, degenerative conditions like arthritis, disc problems, carpal tunnel, sciatica, scoliosis, whiplash from car injuries, postural abnormalities. I could go on and on with that. I think the public has a pretty good grasp on that. But I think some of these other conditions are kind of interesting that people might not be so aware of. For instance, chiropractic for newborns and infants and children can have profound impact with problems like earaches, bedwetting, ADHD, reflux, constipation. And then even throughout pregnancy, for mom, we can help mom stay out of pain and really prepare her for a successful delivery. As a neat chiropractic technique called the Chiropractic Webster Technique. This can help encourage a breech position baby to assume the correct head down position so that mom can continue with a natural delivery as opposed to cesarean section, and what an impact that can have for both mom and baby. And also to throw in there, it's for all ages. It's for everyone with a spine, all young all the way to old. And so while I've been trained and licensed in the art of clinical diagnosis, we get over 400 credit hours of education specifically in diagnosis. I do like to remind my patients that chiropractic care does not seek to just pick out, one symptom or one condition and treat one syndrome, as is the case with medical care often. But instead, we treat the body as the entire complete organism that has within it that innate intelligence, that power that made the body is the same power that is able to heal the body. And so, and another thing I like